So guys, we are at Camelback Resort
water
park, and it's time to check in first, right? This is our room, room number 4112, and we are at the 4th floor at Camelback Resort. This is a Queen Suite. Okay, you open the door. You open the door. So this is our room number 4112.
Bob.
What? Okay. This is our room, and we have already stayed for 2 days here. This is room number 4112 at Camelback Resort. We booked the Queen Suite. It has 2 bedrooms, as you can see, and then here you have sofa, good painting. I really don't care about the painting though, and a TV if you need to put some stuff. Put it here. It doesn't work properly. A little bit of stain over there, and basically the AC, it makes a lot of sound. The bad part or some drawbacks: the AC makes a lot of noise in the night. And then here you have the controller. We set it to 74, and then they have this locker, and then an iron for the extra pillows, hangers, and set. And we have a lot of stuffs here, so ignore those stuff. The bed is comfy. We already stayed here for 2 days, so the bed is comfy. We like the bed. We had a very sound sleep, except the AC made a lot of noise. Let's head towards the bathroom. What do you expect in the bathroom? But yes, this is how the bathroom and looks like. They have some toiletries over here. Some works, some doesn't. It's empty. And the water flow is good. It's clean. Basically, it's clean inside. So this bathroom is clean. But the problem is, after you're done with the bathroom, you have to go outside to wash your hand, or you don't have the washing section, or you have to go outside to wash your hand. And this is how it looks like. So guys, if this video helped you to decide to book the room, the cost of the room breakdown is given in the description. It costs around 294 per day, included one stay, 2 water parks. So we stayed here for 3 days, paid around 900 something, 867 or something. Pretty much, if you compare the hotel room without the water park, it's a little bit costly. But if you include all those water park costs, then I think it's okay. The price is reasonable. They do have the free internet. They do have freeze, oven, and 2 beds, 2 queen beds, TV, and then a lot of space for your belongings. If you want to keep your things, there are a lot of space over here. Bedroom is comfy. There are two issues that I figured out. I mean, there are two things that I didn't like. One is the sound of the AC. It makes a lot of sound. Second one is the after you use the restroom, then you have to come outside to wash your hand, which I didn't like it. There is no washing section inside. That is what I didn't like. I can feel a little bit of kind of smelly things. I don't know, but it's because of the room being cleaned with some kind of chemicals, I really don't know, but first day we're kind of like not used to it, that is kind of smell. And you can see the kind of stains. It's kind of a little bit of reddish kind of thing. So that's it. But overall, we had a great stay over here. They do have a lot of activities going on, yogas, musics in the night, and then so we enjoyed a lot of time in the Aquatopia, and also one day at Camel Beach. Please feel free to watch those videos. The links might be in the description, or I might be uploading a little bit late. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and feel free to comment if this video helped you.